Let's brainstorm some ideas. Let's brainstorm some ideas. Hear me out on this. Hear me out on this. What if we tried a different approach? What if we tried a different approach? I'm just thinking out loud here. I'm just thinking out loud here. Let's build on that idea. Let's build on that idea. That could actually work. That could actually work. Let's not rule anything out yet. Let's not rule anything out yet. Can we run with this idea? Can we run with this idea? I'd like to bounce an idea off you. I'd like to bounce an idea off you. Let's put everything on the table. Let's put everything on the table. Let's meet in the middle. Let's meet in the middle. What would it take to make this work? What would it take to make this work? I think we can find a win-win. I think we can find a win-win. Hear me out before you say no. Hear me out before you say no. Can we be flexible on the timeline? Can we be flexible on the timeline? I'm open to negotiation. I'm open to negotiation. Let's make a deal. Let's make a deal. What's your bottom line? What's your bottom line? Is there any room to move on the price? Is there any room to move on the price? Let's find something that works for both of us. Let's find something that works for both of us. Can I hand this over to you? Can I hand this over to you? I'd like you to take the lead on this. I'd like you to take the lead on this. Let's divide and conquer. Let's divide and conquer. Could you run point on this project? Could you run point on this project? I'll leave this in your hands. I'll leave this in your hands. Let's play to our strengths. Let's play to our strengths. Who wants to take this one? Who wants to take this one? I trust you to handle it. I trust you to handle it. Loop me in if you get stuck. Loop me in if you get stuck. Feel free to run with it. Feel free to run with it. I see it a little differently. I see it a little differently. I'm going to push back on that. I'm going to push back on that. With all due respect, I disagree. With all due respect, I disagree. Can I offer a different perspective? Can I offer a different perspective? I hear you, but consider this. I hear you, but consider this. Let's agree on the goal first. Let's agree on the goal first. I'm not fully on board with that. I'm not fully on board with that. Help me understand your reasoning. Help me understand your reasoning. Let's pressure test this idea. Let's pressure test this idea. I'd like to challenge that assumption. I'd like to challenge that assumption. I don't think we've met. I don't think we've met. What do you do here? What do you do here? How do you two know each other? How do you two know each other? Let me introduce you to my colleague. Let me introduce you to my colleague. I've heard great things about you. I've heard great things about you. Let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. Here's my business card. Here's my business card. What brings you to this event? What brings you to this event? We should connect on LinkedIn. We should connect on LinkedIn. It was great meeting you. It was great meeting you. Thanks for having me. Thanks for having me. Let me give you a quick overview. Let me give you a quick overview. Let's dive right in. Let's dive right in. As you can see on this slide, as you can see on this slide, let me walk you through the numbers. Let me walk you through the numbers. I'll take questions at the end. I'll take questions at the end. Let's move on to the next point. Let's move on to the next point. Let me sum it up. Let me sum it up. That brings me to my main point. That brings me to my main point. Thank you all for your attention. Thank you all for your attention. Could I run something by you? Could I run something by you? I wanted to flag a concern. I wanted to flag a concern. I could use some guidance on this. I could use some guidance on this. Where would you like me to focus? Where would you like me to focus? I want to make sure we're aligned. I want to make sure we're aligned. Can we set expectations up front? Can we set expectations up front? I'd appreciate your feedback on this. I'd appreciate your feedback on this. Is this a priority right now? Is this a priority right now? Let me keep you updated as I go. Let me keep you updated as I go. Can we set up a one-on-one? Can we set up a one-on-one? What's the top priority right now? What's the top priority right now? Let's tackle the urgent stuff first. Let's tackle the urgent stuff first. I'm swamped at the moment. I'm swamped at the moment. Can this wait until tomorrow? Can this wait until tomorrow? Let's not bite off more than we can chew. Let's not bite off more than we can chew. I'm racing against the clock. I'm racing against the clock. Let's set a hard deadline. Let's set a hard deadline. We're cutting it close. We're cutting it close. First things first. First things first. Let's break it into smaller tasks. Let's break it into smaller tasks. We're all in this together. We're all in this together. Let me pick up the slack. Let me pick up the slack. I've got your back. I've got your back. Two heads are better than one. Two heads are better than one. Let's sync up on this. Let's sync up on this. Count me in. Count me in. Let's cover for each other. Let's cover for each other. I'll cover the rest. I'll cover the rest. We make a good team. We make a good team. Let's get everyone on board. Let's get everyone on board. I'd like to discuss my career path. I'd like to discuss my career path. I feel ready for more responsibility. I feel ready for more responsibility. I'd like to ask for a raise. I'd like to ask for a raise. What are my growth opportunities here? What are my growth opportunities here? I'd love to take on a bigger role. I'd love to take on a bigger role. Can we talk about a promotion? Can we talk about a promotion? I've been going above and beyond. I've been going above and beyond. What skills should I develop next? What skills should I develop next? I'm looking to grow with the company. I'm looking to grow with the company. I appreciate the opportunity to learn. I appreciate the opportunity to learn.